If Chrome is using too much RAM and your computer feels slow, this video is going to show you exactly how to increase Chrome memory efficiency and free up resources fast. We'll go through the best method first, then a couple of simple cleanup tips that can make a big difference right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first and best method is to enable Chrome's memory saver. This feature is built to reduce RAM usage by putting inactive tabs to sleep, which means Chrome can focus memory on the tabs you're actually using. To do this, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu, then go down to Settings. Once Settings opens, look at the left side and click Performance. If you don't see it right away, just scroll until you find it. Inside the Performance section, you should see Memory Saver. Turn that on. If Chrome gives you a choice for the level or maximum setting, select the maximum option available so Chrome can free up memory as aggressively as possible from tabs you aren't actively using. This is one of the easiest ways to improve Chrome's memory behavior without installing anything extra. When Memory Saver is enabled, Chrome will keep your active tabs ready to go while reducing the load from tabs sitting in the background. Now keep in mind that some pages may reload when you return to them after they've been put to sleep. That's normal. The trade-off is worth it for most people because it helps Chrome run smoother and use less RAM overall. If you work with a lot of tabs open at once, this setting alone can make a huge difference. Next, let's talk about one of the simplest habits that helps instantly: closing unused tabs. A lot of Chrome memory problems come from having way too many tabs open at the same time. Even if you are not using them, those tabs can still consume memory in the background. So go through your open tabs and close anything you do not need right now. If you want to stay organized without leaving everything open, use tab groups to group related tabs together by project, topic, or task. This makes it much easier to find what you need without keeping 50, 100, or even more tabs open at once. The fewer unnecessary tabs you have, the less memory Chrome has to work with. It's a very simple change, but it can have a major effect on performance. The third method is to disable heavy extensions. Extensions are useful, but too many of them can quietly eat up RAM all the time, even when you're not actively using them. To check your extensions, type chrome://extensions into the address bar and press Enter. This opens the extensions page, where you can see everything installed in Chrome. Now look through the list and turn off any extensions you do not need. If you see tools you'd rarely use, disable them first and keep only the essentials. You can always turn them back on later if you need them. The key here is that some extensions run constantly in the background, and over time that can slow Chrome down and increase memory usage a lot. Removing or disabling the heavy ones can noticeably improve performance. A good habit is to keep only the extensions that you truly use every day. If something is just sitting there and you forgot why you installed it, it is probably safe to turn off. After that, restart Chrome so the changes take effect fully. So to recap, the best way to increase Chrome memory efficiency is to turn on Memory Saver, close unused tabs, and disable unnecessary extensions. Those three steps can help Chrome run lighter, smoother, and faster without any complicated setup. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more Chrome optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.